5 things you can do to earn without any investment in 2024. 1. Leverage your skills online. Freelancing. Offer your skills on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, whether it's writing, editing, graphic design, programming, or virtual assistants. There's a demand for various skill sets. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, consider tutoring students online through platforms like Tutorum or Schooly. 2. Sell your knowledge and expertise. Create online courses. If you have in-depth knowledge in a specific area, develop and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Blogging or vlogging. Share your expertise through a blog or vlog. Monetize through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. 3. Utilize sharing economy. Rent out assets. If you have a spare room, car, or equipment, consider renting them out on platforms like Airbnb, Turo, or Rent the Runway. 4. Participate in online surveys and micro-tasks. Online surveys. Many websites offer paid surveys. While earnings might be small, they can add up over time. Micro-tasks. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk provide small tasks for pay, such as data entry or categorization. 5. Explore gig economy opportunities. Food delivery. Consider working for food delivery services like Uber Eats or Food Panda. Ride sharing. If you have a car, you could potentially earn by driving for platforms like Uber or Lyft. Remember, building a sustainable income often requires consistent effort and adaptability.